be a big factor in being able to close out this series?
Well, I think there's no secret that we got a break because Chris Newsom didn't play. But the same thing happened to us. We also lost Roger in the first quarter. That kind of evened it out, and that became our focus. Roger scored 30 points the last game. And so I said, without a Roger, the only way we're going to win this game is with our defense. And I think that's what we did. We prevented Meralco from scoring, getting to their offensive rhythm, number one. And number two, we controlled the boards. I think we did a great job getting the rebounds. And those are the two main factors that I thought were contributory to the victory tonight.